Here we've got Meizu M5s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select personalization and click on wallpaper. Now just select the source that you want your picture to come from, so it can be some of default wallpapers or something from your own gallery. And let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on set, and then decide if you would like to set it as your lock screen wallpaper, just as your home screen picture, both, or smart wallpaper. I will pick on both, so this third option. And from now on, as you can see, this brand new picture is covering both your home and lock screen. Here it is. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.